Okay, y'all, we are here at we are here at Lost. I can't pronounce it. I'm gonna ask them how to pronounce it. But we are here at Los Taqueiros, and there's only one person here. This is the menu, y'all. This was it. Hello. This is the menu, guys. Hi. This is like a lady who works here. This is on my YouTube. So, what is popular over here? What's the popular as a menu?
Yes, no, only this.
Oh, okay. What you gonna get?
You guys have it?
Oh, I do. Nikki, say it now. Nikki, say it now. Yeah, I do reaction videos, news videos, and I do gaming videos as well. Yeah, I create gaming. Yeah, right now, huh?
What's it called?
Nikki, N-I-K-K-I.
N-A-I?
N-I-K-K-I. Say it now.
Do I put a space?
It's separate. Say it now. Yeah. And that's my YouTube channel. Thank you. I got a first subscriber right here in Bakersfield.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Julian Marquez.
Julian Marquez?
Yeah.
You like the food here?
Yeah. My dad's the owner.
The owner?
Yeah.
So it's called Los. Can you say it? Los
Taqueiros.
Los
Check it out.
Taqueiros.
575 Panama Lane.
575 Panama Lane. So I'm doing a food segment where I'm checking out a lot of these food trucks over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And your name is?
Julian.
Julian. And then your dad?
Ephraim Marquez.
Ephraim Marquez.
Yeah.
And he's the owner over here. And you guys are open
Until 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock,
Yeah.
Monday through
Friday.
Monday through Friday.
Saturday and Sunday until 11:30.
So 11:30 they're gonna be open, and the
We also
weekend.
have this location right here in Walmart.
Oh, okay.
And they close at 12.
At 12.
Yeah.
Nice.
Check us out.
Yeah.
We have everything.
Everything! And you guys have some music going on. Yes. We saw that you guys have really good ratings here too. Yeah. So if I could get a chance, I could talk to your father.
Uh-huh.
Is he the cook over there? Is he a cook?
Yeah.
Oh, so he makes the food.
Yeah. Well,
Nice.
let me give it.
Uh-huh.
So you guys want to do to interview or?
An interview, I could come back here and do an interview.
Yeah. I can give you guys his number.
Okay, okay. That's the shit
So you
there.
guys come try the food.
Okay, Julian.
So to do it.
This is Nikki. I'm Nikki.
Julian.
That's my cousin Ed. And we just met the owner's son. Just approached me. How wonderful is that? You guys? Yeah. Did I leave my phone in the car? Okay. You guys, this is Los Taqueiros. You guys have horchata here?
Yeah. We have horchata, jamaica, limon, tamarindo, guayaba.
Okay, we're gonna order a horchata. We're gonna order a horchata, guys. We're gonna try their food. How long have you guys been open? Do you know guys how many years?
6 years.
6 years?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah.
Nice. And do you guys have just this food truck in this location, or do you guys have?
We have more in Ming, in the Ming Avenue.
Oh, Ming
We have another
Avenue.
one over there.
Okay.
In Bahama Road.
Oh, that's closer to us where we live. We live. That's closer to where we live. Okay, we're gonna order some horchata.
Thank you, man. I'm gonna head out now.
Okay, Julian. Thank you for Julian
Marquez.
Marquez. Okay.
¿Cuánto tiempo tienen aquí?
Okay, I'm gonna order some horchata. There's people rolling up right now. As you guys can see, it's people and their cars just stopping by and getting this delicious food. I'm gonna wait in line. I left my phone in the car. I left my money in the car too. Yeah, they only take cash though. They have another location right here. That's what he said. 2300 Panama Lane. Los Taqueiros. This might be my and they have wonderful music out here. I love it. And he's eating his burrito. How you like it, Pepper?
It's good.
It's a very cool weather today, so it's good to check out these food trucks. There's actually a food truck that I actually was thinking about going, but I saw the rating. It's over there, near up ahead of this food truck. It is actually more near Walmart, if you guys can hear me because of the music. So the father over here, the father of the Julian, as he introduced himself to me, he is the cook over here. So I'm gonna try it. I ordered taco de barbacoa, and it's $2 each. $2 each. I got 3, 2, 4, 2, $6. Pepper, you want a horchata too? Okay.
19.
Hi. Can we get 2 horchatas? Uh-huh. Wow. Okay. How much is it? $6. And can I get, do you have red salsa? Red salsa. So the horchata comes in. I'll show you guys later. But I'm gonna get my red salsa before I eat this. It comes in little. Yeah, interesting, right? So I'm gonna get this. I'm trying to get used to using this camera. I was gonna use my iPhone to record, but I might as well just bring this camera with me. Oh, red salsa? Red salsa? So this is the menu, guys. I'm gonna show you guys. So that's the menu. Thank you. And I don't know if I'm where I'm pointing at now. This salsa. Okay. I love Mexican food, so let's do a taste test on the food. This looks like a burger. I asked her. Okay. I'll put it in a stand jar. Okay. This is why I want to record with my iPhone. So the horchata, guys. Sorry, Ember. So the horchata, guys, it actually comes in this bottle. Interesting. Homemade horchata, though, I know for sure. And his burrito, he said, is really good. They gave him radish, they gave him cucumber, and they gave him lime.
For yours too.
Yes. Guys, check it out. It's on Panama Lane in Bakersfield. There's people coming rolling in. They close at 10:30 p.m. People rolling in and coming to eat this food. So let's check it out. This looks like a Barrera taco, actually, without the dipping sauce. So what I did was I got some salsa. I got some salsa to dip it in. This is good. That's good, Ember. You should have ordered this one. It's like a Barrera taco. Have you had that?
No.
It is like crunchy like a Barrera. It's actually better than a Barrera taco, actually. And it just has meat, maybe cheese in it. But yeah. Yeah, people rolling in. Cash only, guys. I'm gonna try the horchata soup. But they gave me red radish and cucumber. I ordered the 3 just to taste, but for sure I'm gonna order some more because I love the crunchy taco texture. Oh, sorry. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna try the horchata. It's really good. It's really good. I could taste the cinnamony. Oops. It's the cinnamony taste to it, which horchata should have. It's really good. You guys have to check it out. Los Taqueiros. Los Taqueiros, right? What? What?
You're saying it wrong.
I'm saying it wrong? Los Taqueiros. I am saying it right. My cousin's laughing because I'm saying it wrong. But anyway, I'm gonna finish eating. But I do highly recommend it. Check out Julian's dad's food truck, Los Taqueiros. I'm gonna probably film another video and you get to know his dad. I got their number. Actually, my cousin got their number. And yes, this is a really good experience. I got a subscriber out of it. And I'll see y'all later. Hello everybody, this is Nikki from Nikki Say It Now, and I'm back home, guys. Overall, I love this food truck adventure with you guys. I'm going to probably call this segment Bon Appetit or something fancy. I'm gonna think about it, but this is gonna be my new food segment, guys. I had the honors of meeting again, like I said again and again, meeting this the owner's son, who told me a little bit about their food truck, when they open and how long they open and what days they open, and it's called Los Taqueiros. Los Taqueiros, and it has 3 locations actually. I didn't film, yeah, I did film, but I did film when we went to the third, me and my cousin went to the 3rd location, and it was not the right location, guys. Well, it was, yeah, it was the right location, but it was the same food truck, but in a different location. So they have one in Ming in Bakersfield, 2 in Panama Lane, and yeah, that's practically what he said. Yeah, he said that. And I'm gonna check out other food trucks as well. I have to go early because they close early. Like most of the food trucks close at like 8 p.m. and stuff like that. But I would love to try this Indian food truck for y'all. There's a Mediterranean food truck, and there's a Mexican food truck, and there's like, I don't know if it's Mexican, but it's called Bandera Burger Grill food truck. I think that's the name of it. But I want to try all of these food trucks for you guys, and get to know the owners and get to know the people running the place, and just to get to know people in general. And this is gonna be a new thing for me, to take you guys out and take you guys out of the realm of behind my desk and all that stuff. So this is gonna be something different. So follow me on my social medias, all Nikki Say It Now. Check out Los Taqueiros. If I could find their social media, I could post their social media in the link below, or you guys could find them on Yelp and Google. So they have Google reviews. They have quite a bit. When I went there was only one person, and ended up being the owner's son. And then I was like, okay, so there's not much people here. Then I saw people just like pulling up on the curbside and going into, I mean not going into because it's a food truck, but going to order. So there was, so like a minute or 2 or 3 minutes of me being there, there was quite a few people, a longer line, and some people eat in their truck, I mean their cars, but some people There's some people that eat like at the table, so they have outside dining for you guys. So any guys who want to go on dates and stuff, you guys could have an outside experience as well. Pretty interesting that they put the horchata in the bottle. So they have like an ice chest full of drinks, and they put all their drinks in the bottle. And it was a really fun experience. I want to try going to Barrera Taco Bros for you guys, or Barrera Bros, which is Barrera Tacos. I know a lot of you know what Barrera Tacos are. So there's a lot of food trucks over here, and I want to explore them with you guys. I'm not just gonna go to food trucks, guys. I'm gonna go to local restaurants as well. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. If you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment below on what I should try next. What's your guys' favorite food and why, guys? That's the question for today. And if you guys want to see my cousin's face, comment below. Comment below. If all the girls are into Asian guys, he's the one. He is single. I'm just joking. He's gonna kill me for this. But anyways, yeah, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the latest videos, and I'll see you guys later. Until the next video, bye bye.